Now, your Good Day Maine Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Amanda Jelly.
This morning, we're starting off with mostly cloudy skies. The brunt of the storm still just off to our south. You'll notice the widespread snow showers. We have the heavier snow bands moving through southern New England right now. This will all continue to make its way up the coast. Now, this is all stemming from an area of low pressure, which continues to intensify. Our latest nor'easter moving in is actually just off the Delmarva Peninsula, but we have a lot of that wraparound moisture associated with this system. This is just the start of it. We have some light flurries moving in through southern Maine to start, and then the intensity will be picking up over the course of the late morning and heading into the afternoon. So a look at Storm Tracker. Here we are 10 o'clock this morning. You'll notice the snow becoming just a bit more widespread over southern and central Maine. Now heading into the afternoon, late afternoon, here we are 3 o'clock. Heavier snow bands, especially impacting coastal areas. Now it's going to be that heavy wet snow. It's a very robust system that's moving on in. Now, as we head into the evening, here we are 6 o'clock. If you are heading home later on today, this is where things are really going to become quite tricky. So we'll continue to see the widespread and heavy snow. We're looking at potential snowfall rates upwards of about 3 inches per hour. Whiteout conditions are definitely a possibility with this storm. Now, it doesn't end today. Heading into Wednesday, here we are 7 a.m. The widespread snow still sticking with us. It's not going to be nearly as heavy, but still making for tricky travel conditions. This will stick with us as we head into Wednesday afternoon as well. This storm not exactly exiting anytime soon for us. Now heading into Thursday, continued chance for these scattered snow showers. This is where things though really begin to wind down, and we finally are going to see that system exit. Now we do have a blizzard warning that takes effect at 11 o'clock today. This will extend until 2 a.m. Wednesday. That extends from Seacoast, New Hampshire, all the way through the mid-coast. So again, we are looking at blizzard-like conditions for the extreme coastal area. Now, we do have a winter storm warning for western Maine that goes until 2 o'clock Wednesday. Interior portions of York, Cumberland counties, Kennebec County, Androscoggin County, that goes until 8 a.m. Wednesday. Now we also do have a coastal flood advisory. This takes effect at 8 o'clock this morning. That will extend until midnight. That's for coastal York County. Luckily, we're not looking at very high astronomical tides, but we can expect some minor flooding for the coast. So how much snow are we going to get? Well, it's looking like 12 to 18 inches when it's all said and done. And this is just about statewide for us. Great news for the ski resorts, but again, that heavy wet snow along with wind speeds picking up, we are looking at the potential for widespread power outages as well. So mostly cloudy now. Portions of York County slowly starting to see those light flurries moving on in, but this will be picking up very quickly. So our nor'easter bringing in those northeasterly winds, sustain now anywhere between 9 and 20 miles per hour. Wind gusts already starting to pick up anywhere between 25 and 33 mile per hour wind gusts. This is just the start of it. We can expect this to increase by this afternoon. Temperature wise, well, we're really not going to fluctuate very much. We are going to hold on to the lower end of the 30s. So the heaviest of the snow beginning to move in around 8 o'clock this morning, again over southern Maine. This will become more widespread over the course of the afternoon and evening. So the heaviest extending 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. all day event. Wind gusts 35 to 45 miles per hour. The strongest moving in around noontime, extending until 6 o'clock tonight. So definitely keeping an eye on the potential for blizzard-like conditions. And again, power outages are certainly a possibility. So for today, we're starting off relatively light with those flurries in southern York County. The snow becomes much heavier in just the next couple of hours. And then wind gusts near 45 miles per hour. It's going to be a mess out there. Here's a look at your extended forecast. So we have the heaviest and the most widespread snow today. We can expect the snow to become just a little bit lighter, still widespread on Wednesday, and this finally begins to dwindle down on Thursday. Still mostly cloudy by Friday. At least we're going to see a lot of that snow begin to move on out. They say third time's a charm. I disagree.